and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making Hawaiian rolls. They are soft and sweet rolls made with simple ingredients. For our ingredients, we have all-purpose flour, yeast, water, pineapple juice, unsalted butter, brown sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, potato flour, and salt. The first thing we're going to do in our stand mixer, we're going to add our pineapple juice, our butter, brown sugar, eggs, and our vanilla extract. We're going to turn on our mixer and we're going to mix this until it is well combined. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to whisk together our flour, our potato flour, and salt before adding it to our liquid ingredients. Once our mixture is mixed, we're going to add in our flour mixture to our wet ingredients. So we're just going to mix that. You want to mix and knead the dough until it is cohesive and smooth. It'll be very sticky at first. Once you beat it in your stand mixer for about 3 minutes on medium-high speed, it starts to come together. And I'm just going to scrape down my paddle and I'm going to change over my paddle to my dough hook. So we're going to scrape down our dough into the center of our bowl. We're going to switch to our dough hook, and we're going to knead this for about 5 minutes on medium speed. It is going to form a very soft ball, but it's going to be sticky, and definitely the bottom of your bowl is going to be sticky when we're taking it out. So here's our dough. We're going to take it out of our mixing bowl, and I'm just going to roll it into a ball. So you have to scrape the bottom out. So here I'm just going to roll it into a ball. And you want to place it in a lightly greased mixing bowl. You want to cover and let it rise until it's very puffy. That can take anywhere from 1 to 2 hours. So now we're just going to place it in a warm place and let it rise. Now here our dough is done proofing. Take it out of our bowl. You want to place it on top of a lightly floured surface. You want to lightly grease a 9x13 baking pan. We're going to divide it into 15 pieces. You want to round each piece into a small bowl. You want to place your buns in the pan. Next, we're going to cover the dough gently with a lightly greased plastic wrap and let the dough rise in the pan for 1 hour until it is very puffy. Toward the end of your rise time, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You want to mix the reserved egg white with a tablespoon of cold water and brush it on top of the surface of your rolls. This will give them that satin crust. You want to bake the rolls anywhere from 20 to 25 minutes. Now our buns are out of the oven. We're going to add some butter to the top of them. Who doesn't love hot bread with butter on top? Look at that yummy roll. They were so hot. I couldn't even hold it. It was really hot, but it was delicious. It was so good. And today we made some homemade Hawaiian rolls. If you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching Baby We Eats.